So hello students, today we are going to learn. We have started a chapter that is Fractions, chapter number 2 of class 7. Today we are going to learn subtraction of fractions. In the previous period we have learned about addition of fractions. So let us start subtraction of fractions. So here we have first example. Solve the following. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 11. Now previously we have learned, if two numbers are having or two fractions are having same denominator, we say that they are like fractions. These two are like fractions. And we can add or subtract the like fractions. So let us write its solution. Now since both of them are having same denominator, so we will directly subtract the numerators and write that denominator one time, equals to, now 9 minus 4, so that is 5 upon 11. So this is our answer. Let us solve some more example. Now here we have 4 3 upon 10 minus 1 2 upon 15. Now remember one thing, that whenever the fractions are in mixed fraction form, we cannot do anything to this fraction. First we have to convert this one into an improper fraction. So for converting this one into an improper fraction, what we are going to do, again same condition, that is we are going to multiply these two, add this number, multiply these two and add this number. So let us write it. Now 10 fours are 40, plus 3, so that will be 43. So you will get 43 upon 10 minus, why minus? Because here subtraction sign is given. Now 15 ones are 15 plus 2, so that will be 17 upon 15 equals to. Now if you look at these both the fractions, their denominators are different, so we consider that these two are unlike fractions. Now when the fractions are unlike, how to make their denominators same? So we have to take their LCM. So what we are going to do, we are going to find its LCM. Now what is LCM of 10 and 15? So let me write here one more step. LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to how much? So it is 30. Now therefore 43 upon 10 minus 17 upon 15 equals to. Now what we have to do, we have to make these denominators as 30. So for that what we are going to do, 43 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 17 multiplied by, and then here further 15 multiplied by. Now 10, by what number you will multiply 10 so that you will get 30? So we know that 10 threes are 30, so the same number we will write here. Similarly, now here you can see that 15, now by what number you will multiply 15 to get 30? So 15 twos are 30, so the same number we will write in numerator. So equals to, now we have to multiply the numerator with numerator. So 43 threes are, so it is 129 upon 10 threes are, so it is 30 minus, now 17 twos are, so that is 34 upon 15 twos are, again it is 30. Now we can see that both the numbers are having same denominator. We can say that now they are like fractions. And once the fraction becomes like, we can add or subtract it. So same denominators are there, so we can write it only one time. So what we have to write, equals to 129 minus 34 upon 30. Okay, so that equals to, now in next step what you have to do, you have to write the difference of 129 minus 34. So it is how much? So it is 95 upon 30. Okay, now check whether we can divide these two numbers by the same number or not. Do they have a same common factor or not? Okay, so yes, they both are coming in 5's table, so we can say that they both have common factor 5. How? So 5 6s are 30 and 5 19s are 95. Okay, so what we are getting equals to 19 upon 6, that equals to, now check whether we can write this one, that is, now this one is an improper fraction, so let us try to write it in mixed fraction form. How to write it? So if you remember, we do it in this way: 6 3s are 18, remainder 1. Okay, so now this number we will write here. Okay, so what you will get 3, and this remainder we will write it in numerator, so you will get 3. 1 upon 6 is our answer. Okay, I am just highlighting this answer. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Now we have an example. Simplify means we have to write this in simple form. Okay, so solution. Now it can be seen that this number is a mixed fraction, that is 2 5 upon 12, and this one is also a mixed fraction. So first let us convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So what you will get now, 12 2s are 24 plus 5. Let me write here what we are going to do. We are going to multiply these two, and whatever answer will come we are going to add it. Here also we are going to multiply these two, and finally we will add it with 7. Okay, so now 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 5 29, so you will get it as 29 upon 12 minus 3 upon 4 plus. Okay, now further 8 1s are 8 plus 7, so that will be 15. So what you are getting, 15 upon 8. Okay, equals to, now what we have to do, we can see that these all numbers are having different denominators, so we cannot proceed further unless the denominators are same. So these all are what? They all are unlike fractions. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to make their denominators same, and for making denominators same, what we are going to find, we are going to find the LCM of these denominators. Okay, so let us write. Now LCM of 12, 4 and 8 equals to, now you have already learned how to find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 12, 4 and 8? So it is 24. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make each one of this number as 24. Okay, so now we can write 29 upon 12 minus 3 upon 4 plus 15 upon 8 equals to, okay, now 29 into 12 into minus 3 into 4 into plus 15 into 8 into, now everywhere we have to make the denominator 24. Why? Because it is our LCM. Now this 12, by what number you will multiply to make it 24? So we will multiply it by 2, so the numerator will also be multiplied by 2. We have now here 4, by what number you will multiply to make it 24? So we will multiply it by 6, so in numerator also we will multiply it by 6. Okay, now we have the last number 8. How to make it 24? So for making it 24, we will multiply it by 3, so the numerator will also be multiplied by 3. Okay, so next step you will get now equals to, now numerator to numerator multiplication and denominator to denominator multiplication. Okay, so now what you will get, 29 twos are, so you will get it as 58 upon 24 minus 3 6 are, so that is 18 upon 24 plus 15 threes are, so that is 45 upon 24. Now it can be seen that each one of this number have a same denominator. Since they have same denominator, so we can consider that they are like. Okay, now if they are like, then we can directly add or subtract the numerators. So in the next step you will get 58 minus 18 plus 45 upon 24. Okay, so that equals to, now after solving this one, 58 minus 18, so you will get it as a 40 plus 45 upon 24, that equals to 85 upon 24. Now check whether we can write this number in lowest form or not. So I think we cannot write this number in lowest form, so we will directly write it now in mixed fraction form. Okay, so how to write it? So let us divide this 85 by 24. Okay, so now 24 threes are, so it is 72 minus, now remainder you are getting it as 13, so we'll write this 24 here, then this 3 will write it here, and then the remainder will become our numerator. Okay, so what is the answer? 13 upon 24. Okay, so hope you must have understood this one. So this much is enough for today. Thank you.